On March 28, 2025, a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar, causing widespread devastation. The death toll has surpassed 2,000, with thousands more injured and many still missing. However, the world has seen deadlier natural disasters. Here are some of the most devastating natural disasters in history. On January 12, 2010, an earthquake hit Haiti, about 15 miles southwest of the capital city Port-au-Prince. The earthquake registered a magnitude of 7.0 and was followed by aftershocks that registered magnitude of 5.9 and 5.5. An earthquake of such enormity had not hit Haiti since 18th century. The earthquake was generated by contractional deformation along the Liugan Fault, a small hidden thrust fault discovered underneath the city of Liugan. Estimates suggest that about 2 lakh to 3 lakh people died. Reportedly, 3 million people were affected, 3 lakh homes were damaged, and around 80% of the nation's schools and 60% of its hospitals were turned into rubble. On December 26, 2004, the world saw the deadliest tsunami in recorded history. A disastrous earthquake with a magnitude of 9.1 on the Richter scale struck just off the west coast of Sumatra in Indonesia in the Indian Ocean. This provoked a massive tsunami that hit 12 countries in South Asia and East Africa. The tsunami produced by the Sumatra-Andaman earthquake generated energy equal to 23,000 atomic bombs used on Hiroshima. According to UNICEF, the toll was around 2,26,400. Due to its speed, people had little time to escape the areas in danger. The immediate economic impact was estimated at $9.9 billion. Sri Lanka and India saw tens of thousands killed. Thailand suffered heavy losses among locals and international tourists vacationing along its pristine beaches. In 1970, Bangladesh, at that time known as East Pakistan, was hit by the Bhola tropical cyclone. It is considered the world's deadliest tropical cyclone. The wind speed reached 205 km per hour. It inundated the low-lying coastal areas on the Ganges Delta, destroying every structure in its path. The damage was estimated around $86 million. A large number of seasonal workers had arrived in the region to harvest rice. Reportedly, the death toll is estimated to range between 3 lakh to 5 lakh. It was a result of a large storm surge overwhelming the low-lying islands and tidal flats along the shores of the Bay of Bengal. On October 8, 2005, a disastrous earthquake struck the Pakistan-administered portion of the Kashmir region. The most affected regions were Kashmir and the Northwest Frontier Province, called Khyber Pakhtunkhwa after 2010, in Pakistan and nearby regions in India and Afghanistan. The earthquake with a magnitude of 7.6 caused widespread devastation, with relief efforts hindered by frequent aftershocks, landslides, and falling debris. The extent of the destruction and the high death toll were worsened by the substandard construction in the affected regions. In Kashmir alone, at least 79,000 people lost their lives and over 32,000 buildings collapsed. The Yangtze Huai or China River floods occurred in 1931. It is considered to be the deadliest natural disaster ever recorded. Estimates say that around 3.7 million people died. The floods, which primarily affected the Yangtze Huai and Yellow River basins between July and November, resulted from excessive rainfall, snow melt, and the failure of dikes designed to prevent flooding. The flood affected more than 50 million people.